Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by switching the console into developer mode and signing in with a registered developer account. This gives you the legal tools to work with game assets. Once done, enable the Xbox device portal so you can transfer files and deploy test builds directly to the console. Next, export the meshes you want as FBX or GLB from a modeling app. Keep polygons low and name materials clearly. Make sure to keep a backup of originals before any conversion. You now reduce mesh complexity in Blender using Decimate or manual retopology, aiming for roughly 30 to 50% fewer triangles while preserving silhouette. This keeps performance gains without visible artifacts. Once done, bake normal and diffuse textures so shading stays correct at lower poly counts, and export multiple LOD files labeled LOD0, LOD1, LOD2. Then package those assets into your UWP test app or the game's accepted mod pack. You deploy the packaged build to the console through the device portal and run it in developer mode to confirm the low meshes load correctly. Monitor frame rate and memory use, and adjust LOD switch distances so lower meshes appear at the right time. This balances visuals versus performance. If models are missing or look flat, make sure texture paths match, normal maps are baked and assigned, and scale units align. Re-export corrected files and redeploy. And repeat testing until stable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.